In this video, you will learn the best travel town tips and tricks. First, focus on upgrading your buildings. Prioritise upgrading essential buildings like your workshop, farm or town hall. All these upgrades can help you produce more resources and unlock new areas and features faster. Complete tasks and order new rewards. Pay attention to tasks and orders in the game. Completing them will give you valuable rewards, like coins, resources and experience points. This is an efficient way to progress without spending real money. Manage resources wisely. Resources like wood, stone and crops are crucial for building and upgrading, so do not overspend them or hoard them unnecessarily. Always have balance so that you're ready for upgrades and new expansion. Expand your town. As you level up, you will unlock new areas to expand your town. Expanding your town can help you access new resources and buildings. Plan your expansion based on these new features. Use boosts and power-ups. Use boosts and power-ups strategically to speed up game progress, tasks do quicker, and gather more resources. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.